In shadows deep, the amber glows, a silent thief that no one knows. With every breath, the poison seeps. A promise falls, the smoker keeps. Lungs of black hearts winds down. In smoker's cruel grip, we slowly drown. Youth deceived by lure and lie. In clouds of death, they dream to fly. The innocent bear, a toxic gift, the smoke-filled air. Loved ones watch, helpless and pained, as life and health are slowly drained. But hope remains in every spark, to quit, to heal, to light the dark. A future free from smoker's cruel snare. A breath of life, clean and fair.